Yes, we definitely have plans for this. As Antonio Bab said earlier, we visited the fishing community yesterday, we visited the fishing market today, and all of them are talking about fair trade. All of them are talking about giving them a better opportunity to earn their livelihood. Our fishing communities in Goa is the local fishing community's livelihood. What we believe in, it's subsidized rates for their equipment. What we believe in is subsidized rates for repairing of their equipment. I would like to look at policy of bull trolling. I would like to look at policy of LED fishing. Big trawlers coming in, putting LED lights, taking all our fish away. Coming from other states. For me, the fact of what my data tells me that in the last 10 years, the fishing community and the fishing business has decreased by 85% is a huge statistic. Do we have answers to that? Yes. For the months that the fishing community cannot fish, the monsoon months that they cannot put their boats into the water, the banned months they cannot put their boats into the water, to give each man and woman who's part of the fishing community a salary that they can live every month, to support their livelihoods. Also, to decrease the cost of fuel, to enhance the cost of sale of fish. There are so many details that I can go into, and I've just named a few. And I've just talked about one community, the fishing community of Goa. But it is our duty to support them. Now I can go into other areas, I can go into other parts of the community. And we have plans for each and every one of them. Let's talk mining. It's very important to create jobs for the youth. It's very important to the wealth that is created from mining to be put back into our community. Whether it's in the way of creating jobs, whether it's in the way of taking this rich state that we have and benefiting our fellow Goans through that.
What will be your policy?
A very specific question for me, I know. 100% your question is right. Education for the youth, let me rephrase that. Subsidized education for the youth, where certain benefits, whether it's a loan card, whether it's subsidized education, where the youth can afford to keep upgrading their education. And through that, sports education. In my roots at Veli or Tolikanto in Asolna, the most number of sporting heroes from Goa come from here. I can talk of Joaquim Corvallo. I can talk of footballers. I can talk of my father as a hockey player. I can talk about me as a tennis player. But in all of Goa, we are so rich in culture, sir. We are so rich in the arts. We are so rich in music. We are so rich in theatre and drama. We are so rich in sports. 100%, just as we are all standing on a football field right now, Goa is rich in football. The ISL is going to start soon here in Goa. 100% it is my duty and my honor to serve that in Goa, sports as a vehicle for the youth, to get them away from these smart gadgets, to get them away from the computer screens, but to give the youth good health through sport, good mental health through sport, to give them jobs using education and sports education as a vehicle.
Yeah, just one minute. Giving them jobs to which concerns, like from the government level or to the private firms?
So sir, I can answer you on both counts.
Yeah.
Because one is whether it's the railways or whether it's airlines or whether it is governmental jobs, there is a sports quota to be given to people who have good education and play good sport. But also through corporate business, corporate companies. The minute you say you're an athlete, whether it's national level or international level, there are certain criteria that come with that, which is discipline, teamwork, leadership, honesty, good health, good mental health, and the list goes on. So 100% we all at TMC want to promote education. We want to promote sports education, and we want to create jobs for the youth, both in governance and in the corporate world.
There will be certain quota.
Their own. What do you think?
Ready? Well, Kakolkar Bab is one of my great sources of knowledge, because he's been a man who's put his life into the community. For many years, he has supported the people of Goa. And in my interactions and my dialogue with him, we have discussed on how a rich state like Goa, with a population of 1.5 million people only, where 1 out of every 4 youth does not have a job. We have discussed in detail solutions to this. This is not rocket science. It is good governance. That's all it takes. All it takes is a will to govern properly. And I can assure you that Goa, with a population of 1.5 million people, can be an example state, a shining state, a golden state in our country of India on how good governance can be done. The ideas that we've interacted with is so vast. But if given the opportunity, I would love to implement these ideas and prove to you on how we can be the golden state of India. This is my desire, this is my honor, that if given the right opportunity to serve our people and give a great quality of life, all it takes is a will for good governance, and we have that.
आमचे वेल्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कॅम्पेनिंग करता बाब लिएंडर पेस बाय स्वाती केरकर बाब राजेंद्र काकोडकर आम्ही सगळे गांवांनी भोंवले आसोलना वेली शिशिनी आंबेली आनी जायत्या लोकांक मेळ्ळे आमी काल आमी फिशरमॅनाक मेळ्ळे आनी तेंचे कितलेच प्रॉब्लेम आहा तेमी सांगलें की मेजर पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी एक्ट आमी एक्सप्लेन केलें तेमकां की मेजर पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी एक्ट कितें तें आतां तें मेजर पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी एक्ट प्रमाणे 17 February 2021 पार्लियामेंटात पास जाल्लें ते एक्टा प्रमाणे 50 meters फ्रॉम द बँक ऑफ द रिवर कितें डेव्हलपमेंट करपा जाय कितें रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन करपा जाय रिपेर ऑफ योर ओन हावस तुका NOC MPTची लागतली हें तें आमकां खबर नाशिल्ली कोणेंय ऑब्जेक्शन करूना पार्लियामेंटात पास जालें आमचे MP आशिल्ले कोणेंय एक जाप काडूना ती एक्ट पास जाली सो आमी वी हॅव प्रॉमिस्ड देम दॅट वी वील टेक दीस इशू फॉरवर्ड एंड कितेंय लिगल हेल्प जाय जाल्यार वी वील बी देयर विथ देम तशें आमी आज ओसोणे बाजारांत भोंवले फिश वेंडर्स मार्केट स्टेक होल्डर्स आनी इफ यू सी द कंप्लेन सगळ्यांची कंप्लेन एकूच आहा कितले गेले वर्सां कांयच डेव्हलपमेंट जालें ना आमचे मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स कांय नो मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स फकत एक पंचायत घर आहा आनी ते पंचायत घरा सकयल ते नुस्तें विकता आनी कांयच डेव्हलपमेंट हे गांवांत जालें ना शिशिनी विलेजा पासून एक मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स ना सो तशेंच सो देर आर लॉट ऑफ कंप्लेन्स फ्रॉम द पीपल सो वी हॅव अश्योर्ड देम दॅट गिव अस अ चान्स एंड वी वील प्रूव TMC is a serious party and we will deliver to the people of Valley and Goa.
Tennis academy, but also a football academy, also cricket academy, hockey academy. I feel also in the Olympic sports there's something good there, but this is not just only about sports, sir. This is about empowering our youth. This is about through education, vocation, getting good jobs for our youth. And just as my example, I had to leave Goa and I had to leave India to pursue my tennis because I had to travel to England for Wimbledon. I had to travel to all the countries for Davis Cup. I had to travel to countries for the Olympics. I want to, by my example, encourage the youth of Goa to use their talent, work hard, have that passion within them to excel and do our state and our country proud, to travel to shores far and wide and do our state and do our country proud. When I was playing at Wimbledon, I was representing Delhi. I was representing Goa, I was representing West Bengal, I was representing India. We all play under one flag, saffron, white and green with a chakra in the middle. So in that, I want to, not just in sport, but in every walk of life, encourage the youth to excel. Our young girls and our young boys to go internationally, to be the best that they can be, to do our state and our country proud. This is my dream.
That culture is lacking here. So what they are going to do?
So I
2 दीस जाले वेळ्ळे आसात. आमी वेळ्ळे पळयलां की लोकांक सामको भितरल्यान राग आसा. 20 वर्सांचो राग आसा. 10 वर्सांचो बीजेपीचेर आनी 10 वर्सांचो काँग्रेसीचेर. असो 20 वर्सांचो हो राग लोकांचो भायर सरता. आतां हो राग आयलो म्हणूनच जायना. ताणी कित्याक टीएमसी वोट दिवचें, ताणी कोण दुसऱ्या कोणाक कित्याक वोट दिवचें अशेंय बी जाता. ताका लागून आमचो फोकस आसा की आमी लोकांक सोल्युशन दितले. आमी लोकांक तांकां त्या जे त्रास भोगतात त्या त्रासांतल्यान भायर सरपा खातीर सोल्युशन दितले. आमी सोल्युशन दितले आनी दुसऱ्योय पार्टी सोल्युशन दितल्यो. लोकांनी कंपेर करून पळोवपाक जाय कोणाचें सोल्युशन सुपिरियर म्हणटे आनी तातूंतल्यान तांणी डिस्कस करपाक जाय, डिसिजन घेवपाक जाय कोणाक ते मत दितले म्हणटे. दिस इज माय इनिशियल
structure. I think we have to better the payment structure for education. There was a young man who was in college who came to one of our interactions and he asked us, he said, "Sir, I've come to Goa for education and the cost of education is so much. Is there a way that we can subsidize education?" So Swati ma'am itself explained to me that if we can create a special card for students, where as a student you get subsidized rates, not just at your books, not just at your accommodation, not just at your groceries, but also for your actual education tuition fees. So I can sit here and tell you about American colleges, or I can tell you about Singapore International School, or I can tell you about the Australia, the Institute of Sport, on how they actually use their curriculum to educate their youth and empower their youth. But that's going to take a long conversation. What is important is the education and the knowledge that I have traveling the world, to bring that back home and implement it here to empower our youth. That is, you know, our state of Goa is so rich in resources. We don't have to look outside our state, you know. If you just look at the debt that we have in Goa is about 22,000 crores.
25 now.
No, that is very fair.
The Supreme Court themselves have stated that a 35,000 crore is owed back to the state. So if you actually do the math on that, the debt that the whole state has, 22 to 25,000 crores, can be paid back and there'll be a surplus with our governance to do good for the community. This is simple math, it's not rocket science. It is simple good will for governance. And if that is done, I can assure you, our state of Goa will be a golden state. The math is simple, I've just explained simple math to you. We are so rich in resources in our state of Goa. Why not use those rich resources to create jobs? Why not use those rich resources for our Goans?
Leander, you are sports
The
person.
infrastructure of our country is developing so fast.
टीएमसी गोवाची जी कॅम्पेन आसा वेल्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतली कालच्यान आमी सुरवात केल्ली आसा. लिएंडर पेस, आमचे राजेंद्र बाब काकोडकर आनी आमचो लोकल आमचो लिडर बाब अँटनी अख्रवीस आमच्या बरोबर आसा. आनी आमी इतलो बरो रिस्पॉन्स सांगपाक म्हटल्यार पळय टीएमसी हालींच गोंयान एंट्री जाली, पूण एंट्री जायना बरोबर लोकांचो जो रिस्पॉन्स आसा, गोंयकारांचो जो रिस्पॉन्स आसा तो खरेंच एक वेगळोच आमकां एक फिल्डान वता तेन्ना मेळिल्लो आसा. लोकांक एक आशेचें किरण म्हणटा तशें टीएमसीन दिसता. आनी म्हाका दिसता आमी जे आतां गोंयकार इल्ले कितलेशेच जाण आतां जॉयन जायत आसा पार्टेक. गोंयचे कितलेशेच लिडर आतां टीएमसी पार्टीन जॉयन जाता, कितल्योश्योच बायलो आमच्या टीएमसीन जॉयन जाता. एक बायलां खातीर एक नवो एक प्लॅटफॉर्म हांगा ओपन जाल्लो आसा आणि एक वेगळेंच वातावरण आज TMC भितर तयार जाल्लें आसा आणि म्हाका दिसता गोंयकारांक खातीर एक ऑप्शन बरें ऑप्शन जे गोंयकार आज सोदता कारण आमी जाणा सगळ्यांच्या मनान BJP बद्दल राग आसा काँग्रेसी बद्दलूय राग आसा बाकीच्यो ज्यो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आसा जावं आम आदमी आसा कितें आसा पूण तांकां लोकांचो कितलो विश्वास इतली वर्सां जाली तें आसा पूण विश्वास अजून तांकां लोकांचो त्यांनी मेळोंक ना पूण TMC इतल्याच थोड्याच वेळान आज खंय तरी लोकांच्या तोंडार TMC हें नांव जाल्लें आसा आनी ताका लागून हांव सगळ्या गोंयकारांक लागीं मागता आमचो ही सुरवात आसा ती बरी जाल्ली आसा आनी आमच्या अख्ख्या गोंयान आमचें जें कॅम्पेन आतां हेज्या मुखार आतां चालू हें जातलें तें वेगळ्या तरेन आनी आमची कॅम्पेन म्हणजे फक्त तोंडाची आश्वासनां न्ही आमी खरेंच लोकांचे जे प्रश्न आसा ते खरेंच आमी करपाक आयिल्ले आसा सोल्युशन दिवपा खातीर आमी तयार जाल्ले आसा तेन्ना फक्त गोंयकाराचो आमी सांगात सपोर्ट मागता